Okay, guys. So today I'll be speaking on a very, you can call it, very specific area on month end and year end closing of books. For it can be for banks, it can be for industries. What we have found till now, most of the times, once a trial balance flows in at the end of the month or end of the year, month end, quarter end, and year end closing, most of the times we don't end up booking in profit and loss the exact figures and we park in balance sheets. Eventually, this happens because of lack of timeliness in month end, quarter end, and year end closing. So, what are the major impacts it has on business is improper revenue and cost recognitions and improper picture of profit and loss, periodic profit and loss, and balance sheets. So, robotic process automation, yes, that is the biggest giant which will kill manual intervention in banking industries and to an extent lot of financial process. What does a robotic process automation do? A robotic process automation will initially get a reference of our trial balance. Robotic process automation will initially fix up a reference date, say mid of a month, where all the previous books are closed, making sure that you don't have any deficits and the exact revenue and costs are booked in profit and loss and rest goes to balance sheet. Manual interventions let you the closures as per the individuals or the finance group convenience, but robotic process automation will bring in that discipline, that order, wherein every month on a fixed date the books are closed based on a reference, and the C-level executives, the business executives would start trusting that. So, how to implement robotic process automation in banking and across other domains to make sure that we get the right revenue and cost recognition? Yes, that I'll be speaking in my next discussion, and there are certain ways to make sure that we bring in the right discipline in our books closing. So, have you ever wondered why this huge banking setup is required just for closure of books in a timeliness fashion? For that reason, a part of so for that reason, on a particular month, there was two streams. One was the manual stream, one was the robotic process automation based stream implemented in a banking industry. It was found that a robotic process automation could sustain doing the right periodic closure month on month, and business users trusted the data more than the manual intervention, which kept on changing based on the convenience. Now, How does a robotic process automation connect with digital transformation or digitizing the banks? Imagine the physical presence needed by individuals for month end and year end closing. Digital transformation is aiming robot or robotic process automation to understand the context of CFOs using voice recognition APIs, and it's closing exactly on the date based on the context given by the CFOs and the strategy makers, at the same time making sure that the timeliness of closure is maintained. Closure of books. This is improving the financial health and indirectly the business health. Robotic process automation and digital marketing, or you can call it digital solution, would play predominant role in financial areas, financial sectors, starting from banking and eventually rolling out to other industry domains. You can call it fintech, yes, but it will have a predominant role. Thank you. There has been a very good use case that has come up recently, wherein, as I told you, on a particular month, RPA, robotic process automation, was given a free hand to do the books closure, and a typical banker does. Success rate for a RPA was higher, and business trusted on the profitability achieved for a particular quarter through RPAs. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.